Hi everyone, Carol here with Carol's Cricut Crafts. In this video I'm going to print and cut stickers with my new Cricut Joy 2. I absolutely love it. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. I'll be sure to come back and read each and every one. If you're looking for links or more discount information, anything like that, check the description right under this video. Before we get started, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you don't already. Before we move on to my sticker project, there's a couple of things I wanted to show you about your new Joy 2. Of course, you're going to run through the setup like you do with any new machine. And then in order to do print and cut, you definitely want to calibrate first to get the best results. You're simply going to click on your name, choose Settings, go to Machines. You can see that my Joy 2 is connected and I keep Auto Connect on. With this new Joy 2, there's no need to pair your Bluetooth. It will happen automatically. So when you check out your settings, make sure Auto Connect is on. I have my Joy 2 selected, and from here I can update firmware, machine calibration, custom material settings, or remove the machine. But I certainly don't want to remove it. I love it. So we're going to go to Calibrate Settings. You'll click on that for Print Then Cut, and you'll just select your printer and follow the on-screen prompts to calibrate your machine. As simple as that. Super easy. So I'm just going to close that. Let's go back to the home screen. My project is Easy Peel stickers, so if you want the simplest way to set that up, click on New Project, and you can see stickers and labels in the list. I'm going to choose Blank Canvas. If you're already on a blank canvas, you can click New, and once again you have the list to select stickers and labels. Let's choose that. I'm going to choose any image just to show you how it works. You can see that Design Space automatically puts a sticker cut behind the image, but I want to refine it for an easy peel. So I'm going to click this icon, Edit Sticker, under the image. I see thickness for that outline is standard. I prefer a thin outline, but of course that's completely up to you. The border fill, I'm going to stay with white, but you can change the color if you want to. You can select the color. Then I'll move on to die cut, and it automatically will select thin again because that was my first choice. And once again, you can change the color if you want to. And there we go. We'll close this panel. And that's how easy it is to set it up. So let me move on to my sticker project. So here is the sticker project that I'm using for this demo. In this group, you see that I'm using approximately 3 by 7.5. I've tried different sizes of stickers, and I find this is the measurement that works best for me with the Joy 2. You might want to play around with your size more. I've used stickers approximately 1.5, 1.6 wide, and that's what's working really great for me. You can see that this group is oversized. I can go to my layers panel, and by the way, your layers panel now closes so you have a wider area on your screen, on your canvas to work on. To open it, you simply click on the icon up on the top right, and you'll see that you've opened your layers panel. To close it, just exit out. So I have a red warning icon. It's telling me that this group is too large for my Joy 2 to print and cut. I can auto resize the image, but personally, I prefer to do that manually. So I'm just going to unlock it. I'm going to change the width to 3, and I'm going to change the height to 7.5. And there we go. So you can see that I now have 2 sets of 8 stickers, and I have attached each set. And in the next step, you'll see why I've done that. So we'll click Make, and you will see the sticker sets split on 2 mats. And I've had a lot of questions asking if we're going to print on 8.5 by 11 and then waste a half a sheet every time we print. But no, you're not. You won't see what it's actually going to do until you click Continue. Send to printer. And this is how it will print. Both sets will be on one 8.5 by 11. There will be 4 sensor marks for each set on the same 8.5 by 11. And Design Space will also print a dotted line down the center so you know where to cut accurately for these to then go on your mat for your Joy 2. I've already printed out this project, so I'm not going to print it again. I do have it ready to show you how it looks. So let's switch to my overhead camera and you can see the result. So here are my stickers ready to cut. I did print once on cardstock so I could show you a couple of things. Here's the dotted line down the center that I mentioned. That's where you'll cut into 2 pieces to fit on your Joy 2 mats. Cricut also numbers the sides. So you have section 1, section 2. As you saw in Design Space, they were placed 8 on each mat. So there's mat 1 and mat 2. You want to pay attention to those numbers to make sure that your cuts are correct. So that's how easy it is to do, and you're not wasting anything on your 8.5 by 11. A lot of people were concerned by that. So I've done this on printable vinyl. I'm just going to move this forward. And while it's cutting, I'm going to speed up the video, and I will mute my mic because my audio setup is very close to my machine, and it will seem very loud even though it's not. So let's go ahead and cut out these stickers. And there we go, all cut out. So this, as I mentioned, is printable vinyl. I'm just going to peel off this top layer, if I can get it off. There we go. And have my stickers stay. And as I mentioned, they are easy peel. So the white surround looks quite large. But if you've done easy peel before, you know how this works. If you haven't, I'll show you one of them. My mat is very sticky because it's brand new, but it should come off easily. There we go. And we'll just get a sticker off of here. And on the easy peel, you have this extra cut around the edge that you can just take off. So you take off that extra cut around the edge. And then your stickers are easy to peel off the backing. You can pick them up very easily because you're not fussing with the edge. So you can pick them up very easily. So that's it, how easy it is to use the Joy 2 to make stickers or print and cut projects with Design Space. Please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you don't already. And if you need any more information, check the description right under this video. There's lots of information there. Please leave your comments and questions below, and I'll be sure to come back and read everything. Thank you for watching.